You guys, I just went crazy chopping off my hair. I only chopped off about 2 inches. My hair used to touch my hips, like when it was straight, it would touch my hips. Now it's at a little bit above my belly button, and I'm not doing any heat. Let me explain. All right, you guys. So I just wanted to quickly explain what I'm doing in 2024 in case any of you guys wanted to join in. Okay, so my hair, I'm very happy with it. It's healthy, but I want my hair to be maximum. Like, I'm about to be a wife and I'm about to be a bride. When I say about to, I mean in like 2025. But this is when you prep now. You don't prep right before your wedding. You know what I mean? Like, if you want a summer body, you start your summer body in the wintertime. You know what I mean? Same thing for hair goals and all that other stuff. I will be a bride in like 2025. But still, now is when I want to just get everything on fleek. Everything. Do kids still say that? I don't know. I'm getting old. So I want my hair to be beautiful on my wedding day. Again, which is in like 2025. So I want my hair to be down to my knees. I'm not even kidding. No, that's very easy because my hair is already at my butt. Besides, I just chopped off 3 inches, 2.5 inches. I want my hair to be like mid-butt for my wedding day. Because on my wedding day, I already know how I want my hair to be. I already see exactly, I'm sorry, there's like a fire going on. So if you hear the fire trucks, that's what's happening. I want my hair to sit right in the middle, but that's gonna be easy. But anyways, I want my hair to be gorgeous. Gorgeous. I just want to my hair to be ridiculously beautiful, and skin and body and all of that, right? So I'm preparing now. So I'll tell you guys exactly what I'm doing, but I also have a guide. I'll link it down below. You can get it on my website. It's my 30-day healthy hair guide. I'm going to be doing that, but not just for 30 days. I'm going to be doing it for all of 2024, the entire year. So if you guys want to do it with me, you can get my guide. I tell you exactly what to do with your hair for 30 days to have your hair beautiful. And actually, it's skin too, because a lot of the stuff I tell you to do is like, I tell you what to eat and I tell you practices that'll just make your hair and your skin glow. So if you want my 30-day healthy hair guide, it's on sale right now on my website. It's a downloadable PDF that I highly recommend you print it out so you can check off each day that you did everything I told you to do. So anyways, I'm going to be doing that for all of 2024. So my hair is just looks like silk. So anyways, I threw away my straightener and I am not going to be using heat. I'm going to start with 60 days, you guys. This is going to be crazy for me because I'm somebody who uses heat all the time. You guys know that. And I thought Japan was the perfect place because to do this. By the way, this is the best hair oil ever. It's available on my website if you want it. It's from here in Japan. It's the Japanese hair honey. It smells so good. This is the best hair oil, honestly, that I've ever tried. It transforms your hair. It's got 3 different types of honey in it. It's got Manuka honey, acacia honey, and raw honey. It's 30% acacia honey, 50% Manuka honey, and 20% raw honey. You can see. And it's available on my website. I will ship it directly to you. And it also comes with the honey stick. I'll show you in a second. So I'm going to be putting this oil in my hair every single day. Literally every single day for the next, I'm going to start with 60 days. Let's start with 60 days. And I wanted to put this on YouTube because if I say it to you guys, then you guys will hold me accountable. If I say it on YouTube, then like it's like, okay, well now you can't go. And every day I'm going to just be drenching. Listen, I'm not afraid of hair oil or conditioner or any of that. I'm going to be putting the best hair products on my hair. I think if you guys use heat, or even if you don't, you should definitely do this journey with me for 2024 of extreme hair care. So our hair is just to die for in 2025. So yeah, I want my hair to be down to my knees in 2025 for my wedding day. But even if you don't have a wedding day coming, who doesn't want gorge hair, you know? So I just chopped off about 2.5 inches of my hair. I threw away my straightener and we're doing no heats for the first time. I'm going to do no heat for the first time in a very long time. And I'm just going to be putting tons and tons of good stuff in my hair daily. All the best oils. So my hair is just gorgeous. So every night I'm putting on the hair honey. It's so good, you guys. It's the #1 hair oil in Japan, actually. There's still a fire going on and they haven't figured it. I don't know. But I opened the window in my hotel and I smelled it. So it's got to be close. And you can hear the alarm. But anyways, what was I saying? I'm going to be just doing a hair health journey for the entire 2024, but no heat. I'm going to start with 60 days and then see where I go from there. I'm going to start with 60 days of no heat, which is a big deal for me, a really big deal. And I'm just going to be putting in the hair honey every day, and I'm going to be doing my healthy hair, everything I do in my healthy hair guide. I'll link it down below if you guys want to do it with me. So my hair is just crazy and feels so good. Oh yeah, and the honey stick. I'm gonna be using my honey stick. I'm gonna be doing my healthy hair journey, my healthy hair guide, everything, because it's a lot to be explaining in this video. You can do my 30-day hair guide. It's linked below. It's available on my website. This is the Japanese hair honey stick. So I'm selling this actually as a set on my website. You can get them both as a set and I ship them to you. Oh yeah, and my shipping time I've just gotten down. So I was doing the standard shipping in Japan, but now I'm doing EMS. And EMS shipping is 5 days, 5 business days. So the shipping is a lot quicker. From date of purchase, you will get your, I don't know why I'm doing that because it's nighttime and I'm about to go to sleep. This is the honey stick. It's made of honey and castor oil. I used to make this myself. Japan makes some, so I use the ones from here in Japan. I'm gonna put on my edges every day. So the edges are full and gorge. It's also like a holder. It holds them in place. But anyways, My shipping now is 5 business days, and it was 10. Was it 10? I just got an email today. I believe her name was Bree. She told me she just got her hair honey. And so that took her, I think, from the day I shipped, it got to her in 10 days, I think. But now I'm down to 5. So my shipping, I now do EMS shipping here in Japan. So yeah, for people wondering about my shipping time, I just got it down. So yeah, that's exciting. And yeah, so we are done with the straight hair for 60 days, at least 60 days. So I want you guys to do this with me so that we're all holding each other accountable. If you're somebody who, there's like, do you see the shower? It has conditioner stains on it. That's conditioner from the shower. Anyways, yeah, we're doing this no heat for 60 days, and so I'll just be styling my curls for 60 days and taking care of my hair with, I'm so glad to be doing this in Japan that has the best hair products. And you guys, oh my gosh, the fire's still going on with the Japanese hair honey. You can get it now on my website. I'm selling it as a set with the honey stick. These are amazing products. Your hair will just be so ridiculously shiny, so ridiculously manageable. This stuff is amazing, amazing. So they're available on my website. I can ship this stuff directly to you. And if you want to do my 30-day hair challenge, which I will be doing for all of 2024, and it's also for skin too, because I also tell you what to eat for 60 days and what vitamins to take and all that. So yeah, we're gonna be doing, because I'm gonna be a bride in 2025 and I need to prepare now, but also just to take care of myself, because self-care is important. So if you guys want to do this with me, get my hair guide down below. It's on sale. Get the hair honey. I ship directly to you from here in Japan. I just got my shipping time down 5 days. And I'm so excited. I chopped 2 to 3 inches off my hair, and the hair is gonna be swinging. Watch, give me 9 months, maybe 6 months. Okay, I don't wanna make big promises, because I'm like, it's so easy to say I'm gonna do no heat for 9 months. For me, that would be extremely difficult. So, especially because I'm a full-time traveler, and sometimes I just don't have access when I'm in these random countries to the right hair stuff. And having straight hair is so simple because I don't have to do anything to it. So right now I'm starting with 60 days. We're gonna start with 60 days, but regardless, even if I do use heat after 60 days, I'm only gonna be using heat like once every 60 days, which is a big deal for me. So yeah, hair transformation. Hair is gonna be swinging down to the ground, Rapunzel for my man and for me. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to update you guys about that. And are you guys doing any New Year's resolutions? Right now, mine is no heat. That's huge for me. It also was 6-packer, but she already has a 6-pack. And I have some other stuff, but what are you guys doing for the new year? What are your New Year's resolutions? What are some things you want to change or start to focus on? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. This was just like a quick update kind of gig. And yeah, I'm really excited, and I'm gonna be trying out some new hairstyles because we're not doing heat. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited. So yeah, see you guys in tomorrow's formal video.